Hello everyone, today we're going to unbox the Control Freak by Breville in Polyscience. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, click the bell for future notifications, and most of all, thanks for watching our video and supporting our channel. Have a great day. First thing I want to do is I want to get the packing list off the side here. I'm not sure if this pertains to Amazon or if this pertains to consumers. However, on the packing slip, down here they have a note. It says return policy, no returns on parts. Please contact Breville at returns@brevilleusa.com or call us at 1-866 Breville. Please allow 24 to 48 hours to receive the shipping instructions. When returning merchandise, please be sure to secure the original packaging only. Please allow up to 10 business days to process your refund. Like I said, I'm not sure if that pertains to Amazon, if there's damage in shipping to Amazon's fulfillment center, or if that's for consumers. But that's what's on the packing list that was found on the side of the box. So we're definitely going to keep this box and everything inside intact. We'll save it in the garage. In case we do have to ship something back, we will have our original packaging. We have a little box opener here. It's a nice little tool to have if you ever need to open a box. Check that out. It's real easy. It doesn't hurt anything. It allows you to cut right at the seam. Stays right in the seam. It's almost like a natural position. Look how easy that was. I'll show you all the packaging. I'm gonna lay it down. So you can see it's wrapped inside in some styrofoam. There's a case. There's a case that the Control Freak is nested in. So we're going to go ahead and pull this out on the floor. It's nested in here nice and tight and snug, so you know it's not moving around in transit. Look how nicely packed that is. It is nicely packed with some styrofoam on each side. This styrofoam is a little cracked, but that's okay. The styrofoam took the energy of the drop and not the product itself. Ladies and gentlemen, look how nice that case looks. It protects the unit. You can travel with it. It's very portable, very professional looking. So now we're going to open the traveling case up and move my mugs here out the way. Unzip the top. Wow, and it's packaged even more inside. There you go. You have a bottom compartment, 2 of them, a big compartment for the Control Freak. The cord nested in one of them. You can got something over here. Let's see. This is our accessories. The USB dongle, the temperature probe. We have one other accessory right here, and I'm not sure what it is, but we're going to figure it out. This may hold the temperature probe on the side of a pot. Maybe that may be, I'm not sure of that. But that's our accessories. And we have protected, we have our safety instructions and quick start guide. And also it shows you how to nest the control freak inside the case. That's pretty neat. Can't get wrong, folks. Diagram, nice padded case, professional. If you notice, the control freak is wrapped as well. Nice heavy duty cord. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. The Control Freak by Breville, Polyscience. Have a little piece of cardboard here to protect it in shipping. We'll remove that. I'm going to put that in the box as well. So inside the booklet package, we have 3 little booklets. We have the quick start guide, safety instructions, 2-year limited warranty card. I'm going to go read through these and I'll be back shortly. Looks like the first thing we need to do is set the time. Okay, so we're going to turn it on. There we go. Got our date and time set. So when it comes on, the first thing they ask you to do is set the time. You just turn the knob to the right and go through it to AM or PM and set your time. Then you set your date and you're good to go. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, click the bell for future notifications, and most of all, thanks for watching our video and supporting our channel. Have a great day.